Going to be showing you how to install GarageBand in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to download GarageBand, you need App Store. GarageBand is a music app that helps you learn music tutorials, helps you with instruments. Most of the time, it's already downloaded for you, like other apps like Photos. It's already there. But if by some mistake you've deleted it or it wasn't there for you when you bought it, then you can just go to this option right here, Launchpad. After you're here, right there at the top, you have App Store. Just go ahead and tap on App Store. It should load like this. Now you need to look at the top left where you can see the search button. All you need to do is type in GarageBand and press enter. And right there, the first option is here. So since I've already have the app, I can see open. But if you don't, then you can see something like get or install. So all you need to do is tap on that button and that's all you need to do. That's how you install GarageBand in your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.